Hello everyone, welcome to This, That, and More. My name is Jackie. For those of you who don't know me, thank you for stopping by to watch this video. I hope that this video will be an inspiration to you and a motivation if you need to create a routine for you and your family, just like I had to do one for myself and my home and my family. So I appreciate you stopping by. I do these type of videos, DIYs, lifestyle videos, home makeovers. So if you like watching those type of content, I would love for you to subscribe and join my YouTube family. Thank you again for watching this video, and let's jump on in to the video. So I am crossing out the videos that I have already recorded for here on YouTube that I've shared with you already. As you can see, I've done the Sundays, the sprinkling and decorating already, outdoor patio. So I'm just kind of crossing that off the list. And then I'm going to go ahead and move on to creating my daily routine. I currently am working on Tuesdays and Thursdays double shifts, and then Friday I work half a day. So currently I have Monday, Wednesday off completely, and then I have the afternoons on Friday. So my goal or my idea was to take all of the items, all of the things I have to do here at home, whether it's cleaning, bills, whatever I have to do, and divide it in between Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays. Kind of freeing me up on Tuesdays and Thursdays so I don't have to worry about doing any household items, and leaving my weekends completely free to spend it with my husband. So, and not have to worry about cleaning or washing clothes and things like that. So that is my goal right now. I am dividing all of the things that I do at home and in my work and personal life, dividing into those three things, those 3 days, and allowing me to kind of focus on what's priority, what's most important, and also giving me the opportunity to rest in between those days so that I am not overly exhausted on the work days and on the weekends. So that is my goal right here, and that may be something that you may be needing as well, just to keep yourself organized but also not overwhelm yourself with your house chores. And I hope that this will inspire you and it will benefit you, but keep on watching. But this is how I am creating my daily routine, and then hopefully soon after this I'm going to do a morning routine with you guys and then a nightly routine. That is my plan. But for now, let's go ahead and jump right in and keep watching. How to create a routine for beginners. This is just my advice, and I hope that it will benefit you. What I would recommend would be to first write a list of all the activities that you want to include in your daily or weekly routine. For example, do you want to include the day that you go grocery shopping, the day you pay the bills, the day you clean your bathrooms or your master bedroom or your kids' bedroom, the day that you clean your living room? What activities do you want to include in this routine? Write that down, and that way you know, okay, how many things you want to include in this routine. Step 2 would be, what days do you want to work on these activities? Do you want to work every day of the week? Do you want to have weekends off? Do you want to just do all of your activities in 2 days, or maybe one day? Maybe you are you can clean with quickly and get everything done that same day. That would be amazing. But basically, just find out what days you want to work in your home. Then step 3 would be, once you figure out the days you are going to be working in your home, now you can go ahead and start dividing the activities with the days that you are working, which I gave the example earlier on in this video, how I was dividing all my activities for my home to be worked in on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays, right? So that is a great way to just break it down, make it a little bit easier for you, and just focus on those days, getting all your tasks done. And then the other days you can have for your rest, for self-care, for family, and it just kind of keeps everything organized mentally and at home. Here is the list. It is a routine from Monday through Friday. I've actually divided it into morning and afternoons so I don't overwhelm myself and I can take a break, and then I can also rest early on in the early evening. So I've already updated this list. So I'm going to add the picture here into this slot so you can see, because I had to update my Wednesday activities. The bold and underlined items are the ones that I've added to my Wednesday routine. Now that I've completed my list, I'm going to go ahead and start tackling these items on this routine. Let's jump in. Alright, so it is now 7:07, and this is the first time I've stuck to my routine as much as I could. I did not finish everything, so there was just, I believe, the washing of the clothes. I'm trying to keep to the routine so that I can get things done on a normal basis. I'll go off of the top of my head, and sometimes I will complete it, sometimes I don't. A lot of times I don't, but I try to not do a long list so that I can complete it. But today I wanted to create a routine so I can get back into the flow of getting things done and to keep my house in order. This is not a big house, but there is a lot of things to clean. So it's not that much of a square footage. I think it's about 1,300 square feet, or maybe a little bit less. I think it's like 1,290. So I just say 1,300 square feet. But when you try to do all 1,300 square feet, you try to condense it, is a lot to do. Back in the days, I used to do like half of the house. I tried so many different things. Like I tried to do half of the house one day, then the next day do another half of the house, and then the next day do the back of the house. So I kind of have been trying to do different routines to see what kind of sticks with me. So that is why I am creating this routine, because right now after COVID, I can do this, just the living room and or the family room and the dining room, and maybe like some of the clothes, and then I'm done, and that's because of COVID. That is one of my side effects. It has left me with with tiredness quickly. I get tired quickly. I get a lot of fog brain, what they call fog brain, because I'll start one thing and then I'll move to something else, and I won't complete something. So then I forget my thoughts a lot, my train of thoughts, and so it's just a lot. So I'm trying to create a routine, try to stick to it as much as I can, takes break in between as much as needed, right? So that I don't over exhaust myself and I can get the task completed. It's just creating a routine, sticking to it, be flexible, yourself. And I'm so far loving it. I'm glad and I'm proud of myself that I completed the amount that I did. This definitely is going to be a trial and error routine, right? Because this is something I just started today, and it may not work for me in a week or so. Or maybe if I change shifts in my job, maybe this routine will no longer work for me, right? So you have to just be flexible and adapt. But for now, this is a routine that I am creating for myself. When you have a moment for yourself, just take the time to create a routine for you. If you have an issue sticking to your daily routine, or if you just sometimes feel like you just can't get things done, right? So that is definitely what I would recommend. And so I hope that you like this video. I hope that it was inspiring and that it motivates you to create a routine for yourself. This routine is specifically tailored to myself, but doesn't mean that it's going to work for you. So wherever you need to adjust according to your lifestyle, according to your home, your family. Like I don't have any children, so I don't have to do bedtime, or morning time with children. So that may fluctuate with you. So just go ahead and adjust it according to your schedule and your lifestyle, right? But this is just an example of how to create a routine and how to focus on our daily time and how to make the most of our time. Please subscribe if you haven't already. I would love to have you part of my YouTube channel family. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you have already a daytime or daily routine and you would like to share it with me, definitely go ahead and leave a comment below, because I would like to know what works for you. It might be something that may work for me, and it may be a game changer. So if you do have a routine that you follow up and it does work with you well for you and your family, please share it below. So have a wonderful day. Enjoy the rest of your evening or afternoon whenever you're watching this video, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.